Be careful how you use it.
All right, this is Brendan with Sons of Speed, and we are in the M2 competition coupe, and we have the DCT transmission, which we are going to be trying out, along with what is the M3's spiritual successor. I've been dying to take one of these things on the track for a while, so we are going to give it a go. Red, how many horsepower did you say it had?
405, and the torque is almost exactly the same at 406.
Wow.
Very well balanced.
Very well balanced. So, for those of you who haven't driven a DCT before, the interesting thing I'm learning on this one, so I'm at a dead stop. If I just let my foot off the brake, it's not going anywhere. It's not like an automatic. So, in BMW's system at least, you got to hit it a little bit of the gas just to get it to go. Nothing wrong with that. It's just if you're used to just driving an automatic, it's going to drive a little differently. I actually like that better because the more manual control I have over the car, the happier driver I am. I'd probably still take a stick shift because I just like 3 pedals, and thankfully you can still get the M2 with a stick shift. But the DCT is definitely an option a lot of people take. It'll shift quick, what I'm told. We'll find out. We'll see how fun it is to get around a racetrack. We don't have shift lights or anything, right?
Nope.
Okay. 7,500 RPM red line. And digital gauges with analog dials.
And this is your gear
Indicator.
which is kind of an odd. It's not a big number in the middle. It doesn't have a HUD. But
Yeah, HUD would be
perfect.
perfect. Yeah.
With the DCT, you could a tack and a HUD.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Here we go. All right, from a dead stop. Pickup is excellent. 405 horsepower under my feet, 406 pound-feet of torque. Turn-in is light, not too light, not heavy. Shifts are abruptly quick. Brakes are good. Let's see if they hold up. Coming off, rolling onto the gas. And got the chicane coming up. Just make sure that we save cone lives. Pretty good in the chicane, good weight transfer. Steering right now has been very direct. Down into second gear. The gear indicator is a little hard to see. HUD would really help here if we had one. And we've got the Corvette bridge down into the second gear again. So the turn in, the balance is really nice in the turns. Rolling through there very nicely. And good balance in the car.
On the carousel, the tires are getting hot.
All right. And as the tires warm up, they will get greasy, so we're gonna just roll it nice and easy down for the apex and trout, exiting about 80, a little over 80 miles an hour. Pedal does get a little soft, but it's still, the brakes are there. The size really helps get through that motorcycle chicane very nicely. You seem to lose a little bit of the power in the upper bands, but that's because it's a turbo motor. Second gear, coming out of Canada, very nice, really does a good job.
Now let's cool them down.
So it's a very competent vehicle, very smooth on track, rewards smooth driving. It's It's got a lot of engine note, not a lot of exhaust note. The steering is very light in the class. I would say it's a little bit on the light side, and otherwise it's a very competent drive. It's very good at what it does. It does not stir the soul like the GT350 will. There's just almost no replacement for that sound. So, but hey, this is the M3 today that you can get. So, very nicely done. And it'll downshift into first gear for you.
All set.
There you go. I spoke too soon on the no rolling. When you're downhill, it'll roll. All right.
It does absolutely reward smoothness. Well done.
Yes, thank you. That 850i is a very pretty car.
Yeah, but you're not a grandpa.
No, I am not.